Hi, our friends at PQRQP sent me this mini mic system. And this is a mini mic system that a lot of the influencers are using now to make videos because it's a lav system, wireless lav system that you can take with you anywhere, and you can use or improve your audio workflow, because this is going to improve the sound, because you're going to have a better quality of sound because of the mic. Instead of using a microphone from the distance, you can use this. And I'm going to show you what comes in. It's beautiful. It's beautiful packaging. It comes with the carrying case, which I love. It's a hard case, and you're gonna love this because you're gonna take this with you, and it's necessary to maintain your equipment safe. Let me show you what comes in here. So it comes with, first, this is the transmitter. So this is the microphone itself. Let me show you. All right. It's beautiful. They do a good job with it. Let me put one light here so you can see it. There you go. You see? Really, really nicely made. It's two of them. There's another one here. So that way you can record your sessions, two people, interview two people at the same time. Now, this is really cute because it comes with these cat tails that you can put on the microphone itself to protect from the wind. So this is a wind filter, and the reason that you use this is especially if you're outdoors. You're going to want to put this because this protects the microphone from the wind. And it has a surface here that you can pop it right there, right? I see. There you go. So then you put it in there, right? You put it in there, and then you have the microphone. And that's why you see a lot of people using this as a microphone like that when they talk like this, which is interesting, an interesting look. And then here is a receiver. Now, we are going to do a test, right? So here's the receiver, right? This is essentially plug and play. You can connect it to your iPhone, to your iPhone, because it has C, it has lightning here, and then it has 1/8 stereo that you can connect also to your cameras, for those of you that have XLR cameras, right? Let me see if it has the adapter. Yes, it does. So it has the adapter so that you can do the other kind of plug. And it comes with a two head to USB-A cable so that you can charge both of the microphones at the same time. And we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do a sound test to see how good the sound quality of these microphones are. So now I'm gonna step outside so that you get an idea of how this works, right? And we're here in this distance, and you feel the wind on it, and that wind, of course, is really distracting. So we're gonna attach the dead cat over here, okay? And the dead cat should muffle or should protect the microphone from the wind, and it should offer a remarkable difference. So now, right here, you see a lot of influencers using it like this, and I'm gonna walk that way to see how far I can go, so that you can, hola, so that you can hear how far this microphone can go. Um, uh, and it's because it has a 2.4
a 2.5 RC level radio control level transmitter that allows you to record from afar. And why would you use this? Well, let's say that you're doing a play, or you're doing something like a reenactment and you want to have actors being mic'd. You can use the transmitter. The transmitter has the microphone, but also it has a 1/8 so that you can connect the lavalier like a little bullet uh, microphone, and then you can hide that microphone nicer than this, because this is bulky and big. And I mean, a lot of influencers like it like that, but you know, if you want to have it real hitting, this is the way you do it. Um, so this, I'm glad that you could hear the quality, the dynamic range, the features. It has noise reduction. I haven't used it today because I want you to hear like how it sounds, but it has a pretty aggressive noise reduction, and it has a for this microphone you can use it for karaoke, and when you doing the karaoke, it will give it a nice gate reverb so that you can have fun with it. So that's the way it sounds.